maximum of 2 years imprisonment. The panel found that the absolute time bar of prosecution of this offense expired 4 years after the alleged offense in October 2011. The second allegation was of a failure to declare a received contribution in his political candidate registration to the authorities. This offense requires an omission to disclose material information be made willfully, meaning not only intentionally but also deliberately. The prosecutor brought no evidence as to Mr. Limajt's state of mind in making the declaration which might establish such willfulness.
Pika 6, veprat e tjera penale. Pika 6 e akuzon Fatmelimin me 2 vepra në shkelje të rregullore së UNMIK-ut numër 2004/2, lidhur me pengimin e pastrimit të parave dhe veprave penale të ndërlidhura. Pretendimi i parë ishte pranimi i kontributit politik në vlerë më të madhe se 1.000 euro nga një burim i vetëm brenda një dite, bazuar në nenet 5.1 dhe 108 të rregullore së UNMIK-ut. Kjo vepër është e dënueshme me periudhë maksimale prej 2 vitesh burgim. Trupi gjykues ka gjetur se parashkrimi absolut i ndjekjes penale ka të i kaluar 4 vite pas veprës së pretenduar në tetor 2011. Pretendimi i dytë ka qenë dështimi për të deklaruar autoriteteve kontributin e pranuar në regjistrimin e kandidaturës së tij politike. Kjo vepër penale kërkon mos zbulimin e informata materiale në mënyrën që të bëhen me dashje, që do të thotë jo vetëm me dashje, por gjithashtu edhe me qëllim. Limaj për të bërë një deklarim të tillë që do të vërtetonte dashjen.
So finally, by this judgment, this main trial is hereby concluded. Thank you.
Ndaj përfundimisht
Questo sai.
Me bo me ty apo? Ka bëjmë shekë. Limajt.
Ora 17 pa, finisma?
Po, në Sali.
Okej.
Në cëllën anë për të ne?
Ma filit para gjykatës.
And Durim? Shamla, you can see here. Are you all set? I understand you want a press statement. After 7 years in which there has been a great deal of conjecture, a great deal of slander, and a great deal of fake news regarding Fatmi Limaj, my client, and the other accused in this case, today the truth has been stated. The truth is resounding and it is unequivocal. Every accused has been found not guilty on every single count. The great thing about the law, the reason that I believe in the law, and I think we have no option as a society than to trust the law, is that in most cases, regardless of politics, regardless of special interests, regardless of any other ulterior motive, it is very difficult to hide a lie in the courtroom as long as we have independent and impartial judges. Today I am glad to be able to state that after a grueling process that has caused a great deal of pain and anxiety, not only to the accused themselves, not only to Fatmi Limaj, not only to his son, his daughters, his family and his friends, but after all of that, there is some kind of relief that their names are cleared. Journalists, all of you, have a very important place in a democratic society. All of you as journalists are the watchdogs of democracy. And it is incumbent for this country to move forward, for any democracy to thrive and to develop and to mature, that journalists report accurately and fairly. They speak truth to power, and they do not become part of one political side of a divide or another. So I hope today that we will see fair reporting, and the fair reporting should state this, that today is the triumph of truth over falsehood. It is the triumph of the rule of law over an attempt to lynch and remove what I said was legally assassinate Fatmi Limaj and others based upon rampant speculation, fake SMSs, and faulty and flawed and inadequate and deficient investigations. So we thank God, we say Alhamdulillah for the rule of law, and we thank God that their names are cleared. So thank you very much for your interest, for reporting this important day, not only for Fatmi Limaj, Endrit Chala, Negzat Krasniqi, Shpetim Tulaku, Florim Zuka, but every day that the rule of law works is an important day in the history of this young republic. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.